In this video, we will talk a little bit about the white balance. So if you're just starting with photography, in most cases, you will use the auto white balance. And I will show an example on Canon 6D Mark II. So here I have a touch screen on this particular camera. Other cameras might not have a touch screen. Let me unlock it. And here is the white balance. So basically, I will press set to show you the options. There are some automatic white balances that you can choose from. So for example, a daylight, shade, cloudy, some lighting settings. And then you can also do a custom, or you can base it on the Kelvins that if you have an indicator to basically set up the light or get the Kelvins, the particular exact Kelvins of the light setup that you have. So, and in most cases, as I said, if you are just starting with photography, I would stick with one of the automatic ones. And then if it is lacking a little bit here and there, then go to post, retouch, and adjust the lighting to your desired needs. But then as soon as you're going more into professional shooting, you will most probably work with color temperatures and adjust based on the measurements that you have in a particular setup.